Hello friends, my name is Sharvi. Today I'm gonna show you how to play with this slime neatly. So this is how you start. It's nice and hollow. It's amazing. I love it. And I mixed it by green and red. So there's still a lot more here, but I just put it a little as you know. So you can see inside here, right? You can see inside here that there's a bubble in there, right? So then, she's taking a video. So then, you can also stretch it, but if you just like make it go down like that, it goes down. Then you can just put your first hand here, okay? And second hand you put it tight. Then you stretch from up. You can go down. But if it's like sticking to your hand, obviously it will stick to your hand because it's a slime. So if it's sticking to your hand, then you do this. You put it down and do that. See? And you can also do this. You make it as a circle shape and then you spread it and then poke. And then some channels you see them doing some bubbles, like they just spread the upright. So then you see some channels doing the bubbles, spreading it up and then doing that. But this slime it's different. It can do and see, it can make these kind of sounds. Wait, huh? Wait, see? It makes those kind of farting sounds. So if it makes those kind of farting sounds, my mom and dad really don't like it, or my sister. So yeah, and that hollow things, the dust can go in here very easily. See? Sometimes I can see hair in here. Sometimes I can see dust in here like that. So this, but still, if you're just putting it on the floor like that, then you need a tray, like this tray, or you need a box cover or something. So yeah, and then yeah, bye. Thank you, Aruna, Auntie.